In front of me is REALME C75, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Firstly, open Settings and scroll to tap on Security and Privacy. Now scroll again, but this time tap on this section called Privacy Controls. Now you can choose Permission Manager and pick any feature you wanna manage, like camera. Then pick an app under one of those categories: allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. And pick one of those options. In case of my camera, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Let's go with allow only while using and go back. So now when I swipe up, I can see that Aliexpress gained access to my camera while I'm using this app. But you can always pick any feature, select an app you wanna manage, and click on tiny text at the bottom. See all permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!